Poo-poo in the sink is bad. No, poo-poo in the sink is good. Poo-poo in the sink is nice. Oh, diaper cam here, diaper cam. Oh, diaper cam. Hey guys, you want me to show? Wow, let's go crazy. Let's go crazy. Oh, crazy. Let's go crazy. Hey guys, I have a question. Can you turn on some music so we can play with some music? I can show you my dance moves. Okay, let's do it. It's just a commercial. Let's get a song. Nice. Look at my dancing. Okay guys, you like my dancing? Do you think it was good? Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go poopy. Night, I didn't fail. I didn't complete it. Oh, I'll get it next time. Oh, I tried to get to the toilet. I'll get it next time. I've got big diarrhea on my pants. Oh, right now. You're like, oh, that feels nice. Stick my hand in there. Stick my hand in my butt. Oh, look at all that. Oh, stick my hand in that butt. Poop. Stick my hand in my poop. Oh, it smells like butt. You guys smell it. It smells like butt. Anyway, guys, do you guys want to shoot out the firework now? Don't anyone shoot out the firework now? Please? Let's shoot out the firework. Okay, now it's time to shoot out the firework. Let me turn this thing off.
It's just not facing anything, it's fine. I don't want it facing Texas questions too.
Anyway, we're gonna go shooting on the firework. Oh, let's go shoot on the firework thing. You guys ready? Here, watch me right here. This is gonna be awesome. Guys, I'm really scared. Mr. Fluff guy. Oh, guys, there it is. Oh. Shoot. my dad failed badly. He couldn't die. Dad, you're gonna get the cops called on you. That's sad. Guys, I got really scared. It was really scary. I'm scared now. And I just want to cry. Ooh, this will make me feel better. Sour warheads. Yeah. Oh. Taste this. Ooh. Sour. Anyway, guys, I think it's time to end our video for today. It's not fun with this cat. I'll spank my diaper for 7 hours straight. Anyway, bye, guys. Bye.